Imagine this, for $10,000 or less, you could own a pickup truck that laughs at miles, still hauls heavy loads, and refuses to retire even when newer trucks begin to falter. What if I told you there are at least a dozen used trucks out there that'll outlast many brand new ones? Budget doesn't always mean weak. In fact, when it comes to rugged, reliable workhorses, trucks, a well-chosen used model under $10K can often outperform new trucks plagued by complexity and depreciation. From legendary reliability to proven towing and hauling strength, these trucks are built to last. Below, I'll walk you through 12 of the most durable under $10,000 pickups. Trucks you can buy, drive hard, and still sleep easy knowing you got value, power, and longevity. Before we go on, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Number 12. Mazda B-Series and Ford Ranger Twin 2000-2009. The Mazda B-Series is like a Ford Ranger with different emblems. This means that it has all of the Ranger's famed toughness. The 3.0L and 4.0L V6 engines may go up to 300,000 miles, while the 2.3L 4-style engine gets great gas mileage. Depending on the engine, these vehicles can pull between 2,000 and 5,600 pounds. For $3,500 to $7,000, you can purchase a pristine model, which makes them one of the best budget vehicles. The B-Series is easy to use, cheap to keep up, and very dependable. The Mazda B-Series is a great buy for less than $10,000 if you need a small, tough vehicle for everyday tasks or minor hauling operations. Number 11. The Nissan Titan 2004-2008. People don't give the Nissan Titan the credit it deserves. It's a huge truck, and the Titan can tow up to 9,500 pounds thanks to its 5.6L Endurance V8 engine, which produces 317 HP and 385 lb-ft of torque. These vehicles usually last between 250,000 and 300,000 miles, and you can locate well-maintained ones that still feel very robust for less than $7,000 to $10,000. Number 10. Chevrolet S10 2000-2004. The Chevrolet S10 is one of the easiest and most dependable small trucks ever made. These vehicles have 2.2L 4-cylinder and 4.3L V6 engines and can last for 250,000 to 300,000 miles or more. They can pull up to 5,200 pounds, which makes them good for light work and everyday hauling. The S10 is one of the cheapest trucks you can buy that still works effectively. It costs between $3,000 and $6,000. It's easy to understand mechanics, strong frame, and tiny size make it perfect for small businesses, rookie drivers, or anyone on a tight budget. The S10 isn't as powerful as contemporary trucks, but it's quite reliable, cheap to maintain, and has parts that are easy to find and affordable. The S10 is famous for a reason. It's a reliable little truck that costs less than $10,000. Number 9. Honda Ridgeline 2006-2008. The Honda Ridgeline is the most unusual truck on this list. It has the comfort of an SUV and the reliability of a car. The 3.5L V6 has 247 HP. It's not a heavy-duty towing monster, but it can still pull 5,000 lbs, which is enough for most purchasers. Honda's engineering makes it possible for Ridgelines to go beyond 300,000 miles with few problems. You can get a clean first-gen Ridgeline for $6,000 to $9,500. It's the most comfortable and useful car for everyday use. The inside is big, and the in-bed trunk and dual-action tailgate make it one of the most useful vehicles ever made. Number 8. Dodge Ram 1500 2005-2011. People know the Dodge Ram 1500 for its strong Hemi engines and tough look. The Ram can tow up to 9,100 pounds with the 5.7L Hemi V8, which has 345 horsepower and 375 lb-ft of torque. These trucks are tough. Many Hemis can endure between 250,000 and 300,000 miles. You may buy well-kept bikes with robust frames, aggressive appearance, and smooth riding coil spring rear suspensions for less than $7,000 to $10,000. The inside is big, and the vehicle has one of the most comfortable rides in its class. Older Rams are much easier to take care of than newer ones with air suspension and complicated electronics. People know that the Hemi lasts a long time as long as the oil is changed on time. The Ram 1500 is a terrific choice if you want a full-size truck that has a lot of power, can pull things, and is quite reliable for less than $10,000. Number 7. Ford Ranger 2004-2011. For anyone who want a reliable vehicle without having to pay for full-size fuel, the Ford Ranger is compact, simple, and almost indestructible. With regular maintenance, Rangers from 2004 to 2011 can go over 300,000 miles. You should purchase the 4.0L SOHC V6 engine with 207 horsepower, but the 2.3L 4-cylinder engine is quite reliable and efficient. Rangers can pull between 2,000 and 5,800 pounds, so they are a good choice for light-duty tasks and compact trailers. You can get pristine Rangers for $4,500 to $8,500, which makes them one of the cheapest vehicles on this list. They are perfect for small job sites or tight city roads because they are small. Number 6. Nissan Frontier 2005-2012. The Nissan Frontier is the best mid-sized truck that people don't talk about enough. Frontiers built between 2005 and 2012 have a tough body-on-frame design and a drivetrain that lasts a long time. They can easily last over 250,000, 350,000 miles. The 4.0L VQ V6 engine has 261 CP and 281 lb-ft of torque. It is quite strong and can pull up to 6,500 lbs. The 5-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmissions are both dependable, so this vehicle will last for a long time. You can locate well-kept models that still drive well for less than $7,000, $10,000. The Frontier is great for off-roading, especially the Pro 4X versions with skid plates and locking rear differentials. The inside is sturdy and useful, which is great for truck owners who desire something that will last above something that looks nice. The Frontier is simple, robust, and cheap to keep up with compared to current mid-sized trucks with turbos and CVTs. The Frontier is a great choice if you want a solid mid-sized pickup that can handle power, off-road driving, and long-term durability for less than $10,000. Number 5. GMC Sierra 1500 2005-12. The GMC Sierra 1500 is mechanically the same as the Silverado, but it has a more upscale look. It is just as tough. When taken care of, the 5.3L Vortec V8 is almost impossible to break, and many Sierras are still on the road with 350,000 to 450,000 miles on them. You can frequently locate pristine early model vehicles for less than $10,000, with prices ranging from $7,000 to $9,500. These trucks normally have service records and have been used less than job site Silverados. Sierras can tow between 7,500 and 10,000 pounds, so they are a good choice for contractors, landscapers, or those who need to move things on the weekends. The suspension is smooth but robust, and the inside feels a little more premium than the Silverado because of the better trimmings and consoles. There are a lot of parts available, and GM trucks are some of the cheapest to fix in the US. Older Sierras don't have complicated turbos or weak 8-speed gearboxes as current trucks do. This means they last a lot longer mechanically. The GMC Sierra is a great choice if you want a full-size vehicle that is reliable, powerful, comfortable, and lasts a long time, all for less than $10,000. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 2005-2012. The Chevy Silverado 1500 is still one of the best used trucks you can buy in the US. The 5.3L Vortec V8 is known for lasting 300,000 to 400,000 miles because it has a basic pushrod architecture and sturdy parts inside. These trucks can tow between 7,000 and 10,000 pounds and function well for employment, farm work, or towing. You can get well-kept vehicles that still feel robust on the road for less than $7,500 to $10,000. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma 2005-2011. The Toyota Tacoma is one of the few vehicles that really fits the definition of indestructible. This mid-size workhorse is known for going 350,000 to 500,000 miles and is almost always reliable. It features straightforward engineering and a chassis that can take a lot of abuse. Most of the time, you'll find 2005-2008 versions with more over 200,000 miles on them for less than $10,000. But even at that point, a Tacoma is just getting started. The 4.0L V6 is the best engine to buy. It has 236 horsepower and 266 lb lb-ft of torque and can tow between 3,500 and 6,500 pounds. The 2.7L 4-sile is sluggish, but it is very reliable and gets good gas mileage. You should expect to pay $9,000 to $10,000 for a clean version. It will still keep its value better than virtually any other truck on this list. The Tacoma is great for off-roading since it is light, has a solid suspension, and comes with TRD off-road kits. The inside is simple but strong, and the body-on-frame design makes sure it will last for a long time. Number 2. Ford F-150, 2006-2010. The Ford F-150 is the only truck that has shown it can last in all kinds of weather and job situations. The 4.6L Triton V8 and 5.4L V8 engines in older F-150s from 2006 to 2010 make them some of the most dependable budget trucks in the US. While the 5.4 had known cam phaser troubles, a well-maintained one can still reach 250,000 plus miles, while the 4.6 V8 typically lasts 300,000 miles with ease. These trucks can pull between 6,000 and 9,500 pounds, depending on how they are set up. This makes them great for both work and fun hauling. You can acquire a full-size vehicle for less than $7,000 to $9,500. It has a lot of aftermarket parts available, is easy to maintain, and parts work well with other trucks. Ford's frames were very strong at this time, which made these trucks very tough for construction sites, towing trailers, or family use. The inside is simple yet useful, and the suspension makes for a smooth ride even when it's full. Newer F-150s with aluminum bodies are lighter, but cost more to fix. Older vehicles with steel bodies are simple, tough, and easy to fix at home. The 2006-2010 F-150 is one of the greatest full-size pickups for under $10,000. It's reliable, easy to maintain, and built to last. Number 1. Toyota Tundra, 2007. The Toyota Tundra 5.7L V8 is the best truck you can buy for less than $10,000 that will last longer than most new ones. Built during Toyota's renowned over-engineering era, these Tundras commonly cross 400,000 to 600,000 miles, with countless specimens still working on their original engine and transmission. The 381 horsepower 401 lb-ft 5.7L I-Force V8 is the heart of this beast. It's a naturally aspirated tank that gives you the reliability of an old-school engine and the performance of a new one without the hassle of turbos or cylinder deactivation. It's not surprising that contractors, ranchers, and off-roaders love these vehicles because they can tow up to 10,800 pounds and carry about 1,600 pounds. You can locate a pristine 2007-2010 model for $8,500 to $10,000, especially if it has more than 200,000 miles on it, which is only a little bit past middle age for a Tundra. The cabin is basic, big, and made to work. It has big knobs, robust chairs, and strong materials. The frame is strong, the suspension is heavy duty, and the fact that it's simple means it won't break down as often. Newer trucks have problems with electronics, 10-speed transmissions, and turbo repairs. Yet the Tundra stays going with just basic maintenance. If you want a truck that will serve you for another decade, haul anything, and keep maintenance stress minimal, the Tundra is the greatest conceivable pickup under 10Ks. If you're shopping under 10K, these 12 trucks are your best shot at owning a pickup that will outlive many brand new models. Strong engines, simple mechanics, and proven reliability make them unbeatable in value. For more automotive guides, used truck breakdowns, and buyer tips, like, share, and subscribe.